Hello everyone, welcome to your own YouTube channel Study with Rameshwar. So once again we are here with class 5 environmental studies, and here we are going to study about lesson number 9, and that is Up You Go. So in this video we are going to study about the mountaineering, different categories of mountaineering, different adventurous sports. These points we are going to study. If you are watching first time, so kindly subscribe this channel for more videos. So let's see, the content of this chapter is introduction to lesson, that is Arunima Sinha. About Arunima Sinha we are going to see adventurous sports, mountaineering, surfing, different adventurous sports we are going to study. About Nehru Institute of Mountaineering, that is located in Uttarkashi. Things needed for mountaineering camp, things present in rucksack, tools for climbing mountains, different mountains of India, duties performed by a group leader, and Indian women in mountaineering or adventurous sports. Which are the women's, they have just achieved some their target of climbing the different peaks or the mountains of the world. Okay, so these are the main points of this chapter. So we are not covering all this point in this video. We are just going to see, in this video we are going to study about, that is introduction to lesson, then adventurous sports. Okay, about this thing we are going to see. So let's see, after completion of this chapter, so what we must understand. So we must understand the why people take risk like snow covered and difficult mountain terrains. Means those are doing the mountaineering, or those are going for the different adventurous sports. So because adventurous sports which are having the which requires the lot of energy, and the energy along with that strength is also needed. Okay, so like that mountaineering is also one of the adventurous sports, and for that purpose also there is a need of high energy and strength. So to know about the different mountains of India, we are going to study different mountains which are highest mountains in our country. So about that also we are going to study. To know about the different adventurous sports, different adventurous sports are also there. Observe different adventures to get knowledge about mountaineering equipment, is what kind of mountaineering equipment required, that also we are going to know. To know about the different women's personalities who climb the Mount Everest, some of the women's personalities who has achieved their dream. Okay, about them also we are going to study. So before starting this chapter, just this is the one of the best motivation for all of us, that is Arunima Sinha. If you are listening the name first time, I don't know, but Arunima Sinha, who was the climber or mountaineer, because this lesson is regarding the mountaineering, so that I thought that if we give an example, so who has achieved her dream in a very difficult situation. Okay, so that I am presenting about some small information about her, which gives us the inspiration to everyone. Okay, so Arunima Sinha is an Indian mountain climber and a sportswoman. She is a mountaineer, the world's first female amputee to scale Mount Everest. You just remember this point, world's first female amputee to scale Mount Everest. Amputee मतलब you know, a person who is having disability, okay, who is having disability, but then also she has climbed up the Mount Everest. So what happened with her, or how she became amputee? There was a story, one incident happened with her. That incident is that she was pushed from running train by some robbers, chain snatchers, in 2011 while she was resisting them. So at that time she was just pushed up from the train and she fell down. She fell down from the train and she lost her left leg. Okay, so had to be amputated below the knee, means below the knee she lost her leg, left leg. She got rods in the right leg and multiple fractures in the spinal cord. So you are getting the information about her, and miss in after that, after occurring this type of incident with her, she didn't stop herself there. So children, this is the very important thing. After getting this type of difficulty, after facing this type of incident or this type of accident, but she never lost her hope, because her aim, she was determined. Okay, so that we are going to see what was her aim. Okay, what was her target. Okay, so her left leg had to be amputated below the knee, and she got rods in the right leg and multiple fractures in the spinal cord. So all this thing happened with her, but she never lost her hope. So children, this thing you just keep it in mind whenever you are getting any difficult situation, but don't lose the hope. Don't lose the hope, because if you lose the hope, then you will not do anything. So this is the best example, so we can understand from her. Okay, so her aim was to climb each of the continent's highest peak and hoist the national flag of India, and she has already done 7 peaks till 2014. You are getting what was her dream? Her dream was to climb the highest peaks of the different continents. Okay, अलग अलग महाद्वीपों के जो भी पीक्स है, हाईएस्ट पीक है, उस पर उसको अपना देश का झंडा क्या करना था, होस्ट करना था. Okay, and she has already done 7 peaks till 2014, and she has achieved it. Okay, you are getting here, means whatever, if you are having a burning desire or killing instinct, okay, then you can do anything. Means where is the will, there is the way. Means she is the best example for all of us. आपके अंदर वो करने की इच्छा है ना, तो आपको रास्ते मिल जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो शी प्रूव्ड इट. And in 2015, for her wonderful achievement, in 2015, the government of India honored her with the Padma Shri Award, the 4th highest civilian award of India. And for this purpose, the Indian government honored her, okay, with Padma Shri Award. Padma Shri Award से फिर उनको क्या किया गया, सम्मानित किया गया. Okay. So I hope about this Arunima Sinha you got small information and inspiration too. Okay, and this is the picture of Arunima Sinha. Now next point, that is the different adventurous sports. which I already told about this adventurous sports. Adventurous sports require the high energy and the strength. Okay, so sports you all are knowing, but doing this adventure, it requires the more energy and the strength. Okay, so these are the different examples of the adventurous sports, like as surfing, then skydiving, skiing, river rafting, bungee jumping, and the wind surfing. Okay, just keep it, remember, means any picture if it is given to you and ask identify the which adventurous sport is this, so you must be able to answer correctly. Okay, so keep it in mind. So let's move about the mountaineering, because this is the main concept of this chapter, mountaineering. So mountain climbing is a popular adventure sport. It is divided into 3 categories. So mountain climbing जो है इसको तीन कैटेगरी में डिवाइड किया गया. That is the one of the first, that is scrambling or scrambles. Okay, so it is just a basic form of climbing. It is just basic form of climbing rocks. It involves hands and feet. No special equipment is required. You are getting what I am telling here? Means for doing the scrambling, there is no need of any kind of equipment, special kind of equipment. Only your hand and feet have a energy, strength. So you can easily do this climbing, that is mountain rock climbing, or that is scrambling. Got it? Then second category is rock climbing. So in this picture you are getting how that person is climbing the rock. So rock climbing involves knowledge of rope handling. A group of climbers moves as a team. If you are having the knowledge, if you are knowing how to handle the rope, so that you can do this. So all climbers use long nylon rope to hold one another. Okay, the team leader or the lead climber uses a choke. It's a kind of a metal device meant for anchoring into narrow cracks found in the rocks. Okay, so this is the rock climbing, and this rock climbing is the second category of the mountaineering. So in this rock climbing, what is needed? Knowledge of rope handling. Knowledge of rope handling is needed. Okay, so that you can easily do this. Then next one, this is not the third, but this is the concept regarding the mountaineering. One of the concept, that is rappelling. This is rappelling कहते हैं, and rappelling is what? So one climber climbs while another holds the rope to protect against any fall. Now here you are seeing in this picture, one climber is climbing and another is holding the rope. For what purpose he is holding? He is holding the rope to protect against any kind of fall. And this technique of climbing up is a rappelling, and इसी टेक्निक को कहते हैं बच्चों rappelling. ठीक है? But our third category is that ice climbing. So ice climbing, from the name of the category you are getting the ice climbing. The ice is there, you know, you are going to climb up on the snow. Okay, so for ice climbing, the use special equipment, that is crampons, ice axes, ice screws to climb ice surfaces. So crampon is one of the kind of a boot which are having the sharp spokes, which gives us the grips on the snow. So this is called as crampons. Okay, so crampons are specialized climbing boots. They have frameworks of spikes attached to the sole to provide good grip on snow and ice. Got it? Crampons क्या है? This is a one kind of boot which are having the spikes. दिख रहे ना? So which gives us the grip. Then ice axe and ice cream. So these equipments are needed for ice climbing. So these are the three categories of mountaineering. Okay, number 1 is scrambling, number 2 rock climbing, and number 3 ice climbing. So children, in this video we have discussed about number 1 about one of the best example of motivation, that is Arunima Sinha, in introduction part of this chapter. Okay, then different kinds of adventurous sports, and third point we have discussed about the different categories of the mountaineering. So I hope whatever I discuss with you, you like this content. If you like this video, please share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed this channel, subscribe for getting more videos. Thank you so much.